Hello friends, nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Like, today we are going to stir-fry broccoli with Shimeiji mushrooms. This dish symbolizes prosperity and healthy, which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes, and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Ingredients are spring onion, broccoli, Shimeiji mushrooms, and carrot. Chopped spring onion white and set aside. Carrot peel off skin and sliced. Chopped ginger. Broccoli cut into florets and soak in salt water. 15-20. Broccoli has a relatively high water content, so it is easy to hide bugs and dirt on the surface. Salt water has a sterilizing and disinfecting effect and has a certain stimulating effect on bugs. Salt water has a sterilizing effect. Generally, it needs to be soaked for a long time to be effective. Soak broccoli in salt water for about 15-20 minutes, and then you can see any dirt or insects emerging from the water. Shimeiji mushrooms remove roots and break into small pieces with hand. Fry onion white, chopped ginger and garlic until fragrant. Carrot slices. Shimeiji mushrooms. Broccoli. If too dry, then add some water and stir fry. One teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon chicken powder. One teaspoon oyster sauce. Place broccoli on plate and arrange nicely. Place Shimeiji mushroom at middle of plate. Delicious stir-fry Shimeiji mushroom and broccoli is done. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube, there are 2,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are more CNY delicious easy recipes in my channel. Do check them out too. Also, I'll be sharing new CNY delicious recipe every day. Follow me now so you won't miss them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.